Pry and take out the air conditioning decorative panel. Press the plug buckle to take out the connecting plugs on the back of the air conditioner decorative panel, and then place the air conditioner decorative panel on one side. Remove the fixing screw of the central storage box, and then remove it with the rocker. Take out the connection plug on the back of the main engine panel, and then place the original main engine panel. Remove the fixing screws of the original car host. Pull the host outwards, and take out the host. Then pinch the buckle of the harness and pull it back. Then take out the power harness. Remove the base of the handle with a rocker. Connect the wire of iDrive box and install it. Wrap the unused plugs with tape, and place the exposed cable in the void space below, or the side the original car host. Note, the back of the host has a small space, and the cable cannot be placed. Connect the Linux harness to the male connector of the original harness, and press the buckle firmly. Connect the male connector of the Linux harness to original host. Install the original host back to its position. Lock and fix the original host with a T20 screwdriver. Thread the plug end of the USB connection cable through the passenger armrest compartment to the interface on the back of the Linux big screen panel. Connect Linux harness to the back of Linux device. Connect the original LVDS cable to the Linux device. Install well the Linux device to the original car, and fix it with a T20 screwdriver. Install the host panel back to its position, and press it harder to ensure that the buckle snaps into place. Restore the connection plugs on the back of the air conditioner panel, and put the air conditioner panel back in place.